The most important battlefield in the world isn't on land. It isn't at sea. It's up here. Every year, governments and militaries spend billions launching satellites into orbit. This one you're watching right now. It's not just a piece of technology. It is a weapon, a shield, a nervous system. The moment it unfolds up there, wars can be won or lost because of it. Quietly orbiting, watching everything, connecting everything. You don't see it, but armies do. Take this soldier. He's not holding a rifle. He's holding a controller, steering a drone from kilometers away. How does that drone know exactly where it is? How does it transmit live video back to command? Satellites. Every single second. An entire convoy moving in formation. The smoke drone ahead, clearing the path, confusing the enemy. All of it coordinated from orbit. And when the mission is done, the drone comes home. Precise. Controlled. Not because of the soldier's hands alone. Because a satellite 20,000 kilometers above him told it exactly where the ground was. This is modern warfare. And most people have absolutely no idea. A missile fired from a warship, hundreds of miles from the target. Because satellites guide it in real time. These beams you're seeing, this is what keeps modern armies alive. Communication signals, encrypted data, real-time intelligence. Cut these beams, and an entire military goes deaf, dumb, and blind within minutes. GPS, the system you use every day to find a restaurant. The US military built it, and they can turn it off for anyone at any time. Right now, something is being tracked on a screen like this. A ship, a vehicle, a person. Satellite surveillance never sleeps. There is no hiding from orbit. Behind every button in rooms like this, there is a satellite. The United States Department of Defense operates the most powerful space-based military network ever built. This building controls trillions of dollars of space infrastructure. And in 2019, the Pentagon did something it hadn't done in 70 years. It created a brand new military branch, the United States Space Force. Because space is no longer the final frontier. It is the first front line. The next great war will not begin with a gunshot. It will begin up here, with the silent destruction of a satellite. Whoever controls space, controls the outcome. And most people are only just beginning to realize that. Follow for more.